Hello and welcome to another awesome video. In this video, I will show some Google Easter eggs that are simply for the fun. Let's get started. Number one is open your Google and simply type in Google, do a barrel roll. I know you are shocked and amazed, but here's another one. Type in Google Gravity without the quotation mark. Click on the first result and watch the site tumble to the ground. It may look broken, but it works. Next fun trick is type in Google search box to Google the answer to life, the universe, and everything. The answer is actually 42. Speaking of life, if you are not quite sure what to do with yours, you can always leave it to chance. Simply type in Google search box, flip a coin, click on flip again for more flips. Next one is rolling the dice. Just type in Google search box, roll the dice and roll again and again. Dice is great and all, but maybe you will want to mess around with something more interactive. Luckily for Google has a few hidden games that you can start up with the right search query if you are in the mood for a good old arcade game. Type in Google search bar artery breakout and click on the image result, and the search result will turn into colorful bricks which you can smash by bouncing a ball off the paddle at the bottom of your screen. Next fun for this for you another is just type in Google search bar Pac-Man in search box and have fun making a way through messes, eating packed dots, escaping ghosts. If you type in rush in the search box, bunch of OHS will attack your screen while you fight them off clicking them. Subscribe for more another awesome videos. Give the smash to like button and also subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. We will upload more parts of Google Easter eggs.